the 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander versus the 2026 Hyundai Palisade. Comfort, style, versatility. Which SUV offers more? With a cargo capacity of 97.5 cubic feet, Grand Highlander has an advantage in maximum cargo space over Palisade. Thanks to its available Hybrid Max powertrain, Grand Highlander has higher net combined horsepower than Palisade. Between comparable grades, Grand Highlander has higher EPA estimated MPG ratings than Palisade. Now, let's put Grand Highlander and the Hyundai Palisade side by side. Looking for options? Grand Highlander's got them. The 2026 model year offers 5 grades: LE, XLE, Limited, Nightshade, and Platinum. Palisade has 6 grades with SE, SEL Convenience, SEL Premium, XRT Pro, Limited, and Calligraphy. Both vehicles have available hybrid powertrains. Give the 2026 Grand Highlander a good walk-around and find some sharp looks. Grand Highlander has available 20-inch alloy wheels, while the Hyundai has available 20 or 21-inch alloy wheels. Both SUVs center style. Grand Highlander has dramatic Nightshade-specific exterior details, 20-inch black alloy wheels with black lug nuts, black exterior badging, and black painted front hood trim and rear spoiler. While the Hyundai Palisade has XRT Pro-specific exterior details, grade-specific 18-inch alloy wheels, and is finished with dark exterior details. Grand Highlander has an available panoramic glass roof to let the great outdoors shine through. Palisade has an available sunroof or available dual-panel sunroof. On the 2026 Grand Highlander, a power liftgate comes standard, and that includes hands-free operation on Limited, Nightshade, and Platinum grades. Palisade doesn't offer a standard power liftgate. The available hands-free function is only found on select grades. Inside the 2026 Grand Highlander, loads of forward-facing flexibility. Both Grand Highlander and the Hyundai Palisade can keep the crew cool with standard 3-zone automatic climate control. And drivers have an available 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and an available head-up display, which both help keep important info front and center. The two vehicles also have refined comfort features, like available heated and ventilated power front seats, available heated steering wheel, and available heated and ventilated second-row captain's chairs. Qi-compatible wireless charging is also available on Grand Highlander and Palisade to keep those devices powered up without the cords. When it comes to hauling all the stuff to elevate all those grand outings, Grand Highlander has a maximum cargo capacity of 97.5 cubic feet behind the front seats. The Hyundai, only 86.7 cubic feet of maximum cargo capacity behind the front seats. And where Grand Highlander has an available 1500-watt inverter with 2 120-volt AC outlets on Hybrid and Hybrid Max grades, Hyundai Palisade only offers a single available 115-volt power outlet. Inside, Grand Highlander comes all dressed up with innovative tech. The Toyota Audio Multimedia System offers intuitive tech through a standard 12.3-inch touchscreen. Palisade also has a standard 12.3-inch touchscreen. Grand Highlander's Audio Multimedia System includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and supported music apps. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy for users to stay connected to their Android devices and seamlessly access their favorite maps, media, and messaging apps, including Google Maps and YouTube Music directly on the vehicle screen. Palisade also comes standard with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Both Grand Highlander and Palisade have a standard 3-month SiriusXM trial that includes over 165 channels available in-cabin and even more on the SiriusXM app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. All Grand Highlander grades include standard trials for Toyota's line of connected services, including Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Drive Connect. Palisade offers similar features through its BlueLink Plus trials. Grand Highlander has an available 11-speaker JBL premium audio system. Palisade has an available 14-speaker Bose premium audio system. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 comes standard on the 2026 Grand Highlander. It brings a full range of assistance features, including pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. Hyundai Palisade comes standard with Hyundai SmartSense, which has similar features to TSS 3.0. Grand Highlander has standard blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, an advanced driver assistance system designed to detect vehicles in blind spots, while the Hyundai Palisade has its equivalent standard blind spot collision warning. Grand Highlander has available front and rear parking assist with automatic braking, while Hyundai Palisade offers standard parking distance warning, forward and reverse, and rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assist. Grand Highlander has an available panoramic view monitor designed to help drivers with parking, while Palisade has its similar surround view monitor option. Grand Highlander offers spirited performance for grocery runs, camping adventures, and the spaces in between. It comes standard with a 2.4-liter turbo engine with 265 horsepower. There's also an available 2.5-liter Toyota hybrid system with 245 net combined horsepower. With the Hyundai Palisade, there's a standard 3.5-liter V6 engine with 287 horsepower, or an available hybrid system with 329 net combined horsepower. But Grand Highlander also offers an available Hybrid Max system that generates an impressive 362 net combined horsepower. Both SUVs add traction to the drive with available all-wheel drive. And when it comes to those big hauls, both have a maximum towing capacity of up to 5,000 pounds. Grand Highlander has an EPA estimated 24 miles per gallon combined rating on front-wheel drive gas grades, and an EPA estimated 36 miles per gallon combined rating on front-wheel drive hybrid grades. The powerful Hybrid Max grades have an EPA estimated 27 miles per gallon combined rating. Palisade has a much lower EPA estimated 21 miles per gallon combined rating on its front-wheel drive gas grades. And select front-wheel drive Palisade hybrid grades has an EPA estimated 34 miles per gallon combined rating. Every new Grand Highlander includes Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first, of scheduled maintenance, and 2 years and unlimited mileage of 24-hour roadside assistance. The Hyundai Palisade comes with no scheduled maintenance. Grand Highlander offers a 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, whichever comes first, and 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, whichever comes first. Palisade offers a 5-year or 60,000-mile limited warranty, whichever comes first, and a 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, whichever comes first, and 5 years unlimited miles roadside assistance. Grand Highlander hybrid grades include a hybrid system warranty that covers select components for 8 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first, and an additional 10-year or 150,000-mile battery warranty, whichever comes first. Palisade has a 10-year or 100,000-mile hybrid electric battery warranty, whichever comes first. The 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander delivers the goods, and it's a whole lot of them. It's an SUV packed with capability, comfort, and confidence. Discover the whole adventure-seeking package at Toyota.com.